Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make healthy hormone smoothie with our Koso. If you love smoothie, but if you are having smoothie only made with fruits and vegetables, try adding protein and some healthy fat. This will help you feel full longer because it helps balance your hormone balance. When you have a food or meal high in sugar, even from fruits and veggies, it will spike your blood sugar, which means your blood sugar goes up and down very quickly. When your blood sugar goes down quickly, that's when you feel you're tired, anxious, angry, sleepy. You might have brain fog. You can focus. You might have a sugar craving. You might feel hungry sooner when you have a high sugar content food without protein and fat. So don't forget to add some protein and healthy fat to your smoothie. You can add yogurt, nuts and seeds, avocado, kefir, or tofu. Adding some fermented foods such as Koso is important as well for hormone balance because our gut bacteria decide how much hormone we produce, how we use it. Koso contain probiotics, prebiotics to feed bacteria in our gut, and postbiotics. If you want to know more about the connection between gut health and hormone balance, please go to our website. We have a blog about hormone balance and gut health. You can find the link in the description in this video. I'm going to show you how to make healthy hormone smoothie. I have half cup of steamed and frozen cauliflower and half frozen banana for creaminess and thickness. Cauliflower is high in vitamin C. It contains fiber, some magnesium, iron, and calcium. You don't have to use cauliflower. You can just use one banana instead. For some protein and healthy fat, I have 1 tablespoon of hemp seed, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. They provide magnesium, calcium, iron, fiber, and antioxidant. And ours Koso for the source of probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics. All you need to do is add everything into the blender and blend until it's smooth. If it's not smooth enough, you can add a little bit nut milk or water. If you want to get some more protein, you can add yogurt. Here's healthy hormone smoothie with our Koso. Don't worry, you don't taste any cauliflower. If you make this smoothie, please tag us on Instagram and Facebook. So don't forget to take photo. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Bye.